Happy Earth Day, everyone. Well, I wanted to give you a few updates on the pet bottle planters that I did last year. So I'm just gonna quickly show you this one. This was the one I did outside, and it was a great start and it did really well at the beginning of the summer, but as it got hotter and hotter, the pet bottle was just too small to not be able to beat the heat. So I was having to water it constantly and I'd sometimes forget. And the plants really dried out. I tried adding some duct tape here to sort of cover where the roots were, thinking that might help, but it didn't really do enough. So the outdoor one was great if you're in a cooler climate, but in a hot, humid place like Japan, it just didn't really work for these purposes. So let's check the indoor one. Well, here's my indoor planter, and as you can see, there's some Italian parsley growing out of it, and this kept growing the whole winter. It went all year, and I kept cutting it and using more, cutting it and using more, and the indoor planter worked fantastic. So I was able to have parsley, lettuce, and some cilantro growing all year in this cute little indoor bottle planter. And it was 3 tiers. The top 2 tiers did the best. And finally, here's the green wall that I planted 2 years ago. And I kind of let it go for a year just to see what would happen, because the problem I had with this one was very similar in that it got too dry in the hot seasons. And even though I had the rain collectors here so it would naturally water itself, it didn't rain enough during the summer to keep it. But check this out. I've got some lettuce just growing from that I didn't plant. I mean, it was there 2 years ago, but in quite a number of them, the lettuces are regrowing. So they kind of replanted themselves, which was really cool. And some of them have some really interesting mosses and things growing in them. So I might replant this green wall this year and see what happens again. So anyways, I hope you enjoy gardening, and happy Earth Day. I hope you have a great day.